5-minute call, whānau. Kia ora. Showtime.
Yes, sir. Kua tai tātou ki tāmaki makaurau. Mō tētahi tino kaupapa, we're going to be performing at the Aotearoa Music Awards with Uncle Rob Ruha and his mates. Karawhiua.
We're here, guys. Get all hop out.
Kei tāmaki makaurau mātou tēnei Rob. Kei te Stage Music Centre I whakaharatau ana mō te tū hei te pōapopo.
Ko ngā mahi.
Rob, get out the way. Morena kia tātou. Tuatai e mihi ana kia koutou. Ngā kono hia hau ki te kaupapa nei. And choice to have our kahao crew back on board as well. For our new whānau that came on board, the Mōhau project was about birthing light into a world of darkness. It's all about using our gifts, the magic that our creator gave us, and charging it up to 100% and pushing that aroha out into the world.
The last time we performed together would have been when we were recording the album.
Yeah, November last year we recorded the album. Now it's in, you know. What is it nominated for?
I don't know.
Mana Reo and Best Worship.
So we'll try it kahao kicking off, and then the first singer on, second singer on, third singer on.
Yes.
So kahao, it's all over to you. Stuff it up. We'll give you.
Oh, it's been a long time since we were singing together, so it was meant to just have a lot of artists give us a bit of a refresher of what it's like to sing together in this big group.
Yeah, man.
It was so nice to be back with the old team.
Yeah.
Did they sing it and bring it?
Oh, 100%. Always sing it and bring it. 100.
Kapili Andy.
O whakaaro amo?
Oh, g'day. G'day. Mate. G'day.
Wow, ko tā mai a Rob Ruha ana ka hao te rangatahi. Pai te ki te ienei kanohi hau, ko tā mai ki tēnei o ngā karahuihui ngā rā mo te Ao Waiata ki konei ki Aotearoa. Me te ki te ienei kanohi pia tāta e puta mai ana me taku hikaka kia rongo I te reo Waiata kua kawea mai e enei rangatahi.
You first can sort out your nickes, when you're going to start, how you're going to start. But however you start, don't start like this. Oh, shit. Hey, we're the last. Hey, so we got to rock it.
1, 2, 3.
He aha ngā momo whiako I ako koe I te wā I nunga koe I te rātaunga I te taha o hoa a ka hao.
Ngā mai katoa, whakawhanaungatanga ki wē rātu ngā kauwaiata katoa, mai tēnā pito, ki tēnā pito, huri noi I Aotearoa.
Ki te hea atu pito. Oh. And we'll just wrap that up here. Kia ora. Ka hao.